Alright guys, it's another track day. Come on, doggy. Yeah, he's got the bike started for you. Top rider. Here we go. Oh yeah, we have BMX track. Running on. Hitting her. Woo! Got the dog running around. Oh my dear, what a run. What is your name? Number 46. Number 46. Watch out for him down the motocross track, everybody. Number 46. Number 46. Number 46. Future race star. Future race star. Nice. Hit him. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hitting them. What a run! What a run! Number 46, watch out for this number on the racetrack, cause this kid is fast. It's your boy right here. How you feel?
Fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, cool. Alright everybody, that was a run. Like and subscribe for the puppy right here.